This month's updates provide enhanced transparency across POP custom fields, print jobs, and fuel levy calculations, along with greater control of sale orders and purchase orders through API integrations and additional split month billing options. Our first update is the redesign of the Purchase Order Product Custom Field page. Purchase Order Product Custom Fields are a key feature of CartonCloud and allow you to create a flexible workflow that best suits your business requirements. They are often used to record important information against a stock item, such as a batch number, serial number, SSCC number, or a production date. So we're here now on the Purchase Order Product Custom Field page in the Customer Settings, and we can click the Add Custom Field button. You can then fill out the custom field name and select a configuration. Selecting this configuration type, a number of settings will be pre-selected for me. This is to help ensure I achieve the workflow of the configuration type, which is serial number captured on the outbound. A description of these settings can be found here on the right in the blue box. If I decide to change some of these pre-selected settings, you'll notice the configuration type changes to custom. You don't necessarily have to choose a configuration type, but by choosing a configuration type, you're ensuring that the workflow you wish to achieve is set up correctly in your account. You can continue to add additional custom fields or reset the custom field. Once you've finished creating your custom fields, you can scroll down to the bottom and click Save. The next update is in relation to the remote print job screen. These new features will make it easier to troubleshoot printing issues, helping you to resolve and identify issues more quickly with more information. This page in CartonCloud provides a history of all attempted and processed print jobs. With this enhancement, you can now see the warehouse the job is printed from, the status of the computer, whether it's offline or online, the printer the job was printed to, and then the entity that the job was printed for, so whether that's a sale order or a consignment, for example. Our next update is regarding transparency of charges on consignments, in particular visibility on fuel levy calculations. So when we're viewing a consignment and we click the Charges tab, and we come down to the Charges section here, you'll see the breakdown of the charges for this consignment, and now with this new update, you'll also see the fuel levy, what the percentage is, and how much this comes to for the consignment. This gives you the ability to view and check additional charges ahead of invoicing. The next update for this month is the ability to cancel or delete outbound sale orders and inbound purchase orders using API. This update builds upon our existing API capabilities, giving you more control of your orders through the integration. This is especially useful for when you have an API order created that you no longer want to be shipped or prioritized, allowing you to cancel or delete the order through the API. To have the ability to cancel outbound and/or inbound orders, you will need to be sure to select the WMS Create job when assigning the API roles to your API client. Our last update is in regard to split month billing. Split month billing is a relatively new feature, and this update will further enhance this feature, catering for more billing requirements. Currently, from the organization settings or an individual customer's rate card, you can configure split month billing for stock that leaves the warehouse later in the month and apply a discount to this stock. You now also have the option to apply split month billing for stock that leaves early in the final month of storage. You can also now combine the first and last month discount options and apply a combined option, allowing you to offer even more competitive pricing plans. To use split month billing, you must be using monthly storage charge period generation. I've selected the first day of the month to charge on, and we need to enable split month discount. I've chosen 15 days before my split occurs, and if I come down to discount applicable for, you'll notice we now have two additional options, last month and both first and last month. I'm going to apply last month and have the discount be 10%. This means a discount will be given to stock that leaves early in the last month of its storage, in this case before the 15-day split, and the discount applied will be 10%. Please note that these new split month billing options are only applicable if using per location storage charge method. To find out more about CartonCloud product updates, make sure you're subscribed to our blog and monthly newsletter. To see these features in detail, follow the links below to CartonCloud Help.